Hello, welcome to 8-4 Special Product and Factoring.
Welcome. So our objectives today are to identify and factor binomials that are differences of two perfect squares. Also, to multiply numbers mentally using the difference of two squares.
So the difference of two squares is...
It's a simple formula. A plus B times A minus B equals A squared minus B squared. Now, the product of the sum and the difference of the same two numbers is the difference of their squares. That's just basically in word terms.
Yeah.
Let's try it out. Here we have two numbers. Two binomials. 8w plus 1/2 and 8w minus 1/2. So, let's remember A plus B, A minus B equals A squared minus B squared. Let's apply it to our thing.
So what you're going to want to do is multiply this number times this number and this number. Let me get a different color. This number times this number.
Yes.
And so we're going to do AW squared minus 1/2 squared. And so
we're just going to go ahead and do the math there.
64 W squared minus 1/4. And that is our final answer. And let's go to the next thing.
So, you're going to want to determine whether x squared minus 225 is a difference of two squares. So basically what you want to do is you want to look at these two numbers right here, and you're going to want to determine if those two are perfect squares. So are these two numbers perfect squares? The answer is yes. The two numbers are perfect squares. What are the perfect squares? Well, x and 15. Of course. So x squared minus 225 is the difference of two squares. In factored form, it's simple. X squared minus 225 equals x plus 15 and times x minus 15.
Okay, let's move on. Our next thing is 1/4n squared minus 169. And we gotta see if they're both perfect squares, and they are. So we're gonna just make that 1/1/2 n squared minus 13 squared. And then we're going to put that in factored form. So then you just take one of the numbers, 1/2 n plus 13 times the other number, 1/2 n minus 13. That's your final answer.
Thank you. Now, you're going to want to do your try these 2 through 12 evens.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.
Bye.